Welcome to today's episode of learning how to use a platform Capital Advantage. Today we'll be going over the stock valuation tool. So starting with this, we can analyze any stock we want. So I'm going to start with Hindustan Unilever, and then we choose the period we want to analyze these valuation bands for. So for this, I'm going to go 5 years because it tells you a lot of information. So straight away we see a summary of all the four main ratios. So we have the price to earnings ratio, we have the price to book ratio, the EV to EBITDA, and the price to sales ratios. These ratios tell you how expensive the stock is compared to different measures such as the book value of its assets or its earnings. And we can see that all of them are below historical median, and then it also gives you a summary of the 5-year low, the 5-year average, and the 5-year high. Now below that is a visual analysis of these ratios. So in this, we can choose whether we want to visually analyze the PE ratio, the PB ratio, any of the ratios for the last 5 years. And one thing I want to talk about is the standard deviation. So we can see when these stocks have had the valuations go past one standard deviation or go below one standard deviation of the normal. So in this, we can see how every time it's gone below the standard deviation, it tends to come back, and now for some reason it's gone much lower. And then you have the methodology and interpretation. So it just tells you why it's below median or the near median, and then a summary of the